Actually, what is, you know what the PML is? प्रधानमंत्री की लाल आंख is PMLA. It has nothing to do with Prevention of Money Laundering Act.
Please you flip
It
it.
is प्रधानमंत्री की लाल आंख, मतलब कि ईडी भेज दो, जो मर्जी करवा लो.
I want to come after the electoral bonds thing, the other thing which you've been talking a lot about, which is the PMLA. On that, I just want to get some clarity. Why is it that none of them are getting bail? Kejriwal, Sisodia,
Ask the courts.
Yeah, I just want to ask you.
I keep on asking them. I don't get any response.
But as somebody who's been advocating.
Actually, what is, you know what the PML is? प्रधानमंत्री की लाल आंख is PMLA. It has nothing to do with Prevention of Money Laundering Act.
Please you flip
It
it.
is प्रधानमंत्री की लाल आंख, मतलब कि ईडी भेज दो, जो मर्जी करवा लो.
तो ये लाल आंख जुडिशरी पे भी है उसका मतलब?
नहीं, जुडिशरी की तो बात ही नहीं हो रही, इन्वेस्टिगेशन की बात हो रही. अगर किसी को पकड़ना है तो ईडी भेज दो, किसी के बयान ले लो, ओरल बयान ले लो, वो ओरल जो मर्जी कह दे कि भाई इसकी संपत्ति है, उसकी संपत्ति है, उस आधार पे उसको अरेस्ट कर लो, और वो बाद में देखा जाएगा.
So approver is a wrong thing to go by.
Forget approver. They don't even sometimes have an approver.
They had an approver.
In this case, we are not talking about a particular case. They have several ways of doing it. One of the ways is कि आप किसी जगह पे चले जाओ, वो जगह में कोई लैंड है 5 एकड़ का या 2 एकड़ का, उससे बयान ले लो, ये 2 एकड़ तो ये मुख्यमंत्री का है, उसका बयान ले लो. आपके पास कोई एविडेंस नहीं है, आप मुख्यमंत्री को नोटिस दे दो, उसका बयान आप बताओ नहीं, और मुख्यमंत्री बोलो ये तो आपकी जमीन है, बोला मेरी कोई जमीन नहीं है, चलो तुम्हें अरेस्ट कर लिया. ये तो हो रहा है. Therefore, प्रधानमंत्री की लाल आंख.
You called it a Frankenstein monster also.
It is a strong arm of the government. It has nothing to do with law enforcement.
So
there is no evidence against Kejriwal or Sisodia or Jain. There is no money trail. Nobody says how much money is given to whom. There is no bank account. There is no nothing. It's oral statement है ना लोगों की, और अप्रूवर 12वीं स्टेटमेंट पे, बोले 10 स्टेटमेंट में उसने कोई नाम नहीं लिया, 12वीं स्टेटमेंट पे अप्रूवर बन गया और फिर पैसा दे दिया. क्या
इसी बात पे आपने बोला था कि it is not a golden period. अब because it is a Kapil Sibal who's said it, you're on thin ice, but it's a Kapil Sibal who has said it. So contempt पे आपको अंदर नहीं किया.
What is contemptuous in this? What is contemptuous
When
in
you
this?
say it's not golden period.
It is not a golden period. I say so. It's not a golden period for democracy in this country. It is not a golden period for the media of this country. It is not a golden period for the election commission of this country. It's not a golden period for the governors of this country. It's not a golden period for India.
For when you say judiciary, any other
Why? What's wrong? Is judiciary something that is so that we must accept everything the judiciary
You
says?
tell me, sir, you practiced there for 50
I
years.
don't accept it. I say
More
so.
than 50 years.
I say so. I don't accept it. I myself tell them that I believe this is wrong, and what's wrong with that? In fact, what the Chief Justice of India, Chandrachud, has said, that once a judgment is rendered, it is public property, and anybody can criticize it.
उन्होंने let's see बोला था जब आपने कहा था.
Justice. That's all right. That's all right. There's nothing wrong with that. हम किसी की तौहीन नहीं करना चाहते. We have the great respect for the institution. But अगर कोई फैसला गलत है, तो गलत है.